Hi, in this video, we're going to go over some of the automated options you have in Go Full Page, some that come with your free plan and some that are included in a premium plan. So we have here the example of having taken a screen capture of the Go Full Page blog. I've already gone through in the editor and added some different padding, added arrows and text, and a couple of other different features. Now, let's say that I want to have particular options that are always defaulted for when I do a screen capture. Then all we had to do to get here, if we say we go from here, our editor, we just go to More and say go to Options. You can also get to your account from here, but let's focus on this particular section. So we can configure our settings for our extension here, and the first one is Capture. So you can decide which format you'd like to be your default for your image format, which can be PNG or JPG. You can also decide the paper size default you'd like for your PDFs, such as US letter portrait, landscape, legal portrait, legal landscape, A4 portrait, A4 landscape, or the full image. You can also, if you have premium, check that you have smart page splitting on, which makes it to where it will check when splitting a PDF across multiple pages to try to prevent it from cutting lines of text in half. And then you also have this option as premium to add the URL date and time every single time so that you don't have to do it. It will automatically be done for you. Under your download settings, you can make it to where you can specify a directory underneath your downloads directory to save your screenshot shots, such as screen captures. You can also make it to where you automatically show Save As dialog when downloading your screenshots. You can also make it to where it automatically downloads your screenshot as an image instead of opening it in a new window. You can do that by checking here. You can also toggle on or off that it fits copies to Google Doc limits, so that when copying a screenshot to your clipboard, it auto resizes to see that it makes sure it's within the Google Doc limits. If we expand permissions here, you can see a couple of other options here. So these optional permissions that were previously granted will be already checked here, but you can revoke them at any time. You can always do that by just checking this on or off, for example, with download permissions or iframe permissions. So these are some of the different defaults that you can have and the differences between some of the premium type of features and the free and included features.